Now, I need 3 volunteers for this activity. 6 blind people and an elephant. 3 volunteers. Any? 3 volunteers. Okay, Miss Ikra. No, I need 3 people. 3. No, we cannot have an elephant. Otherwise, do you remember this story? What was this story? Anyone knows about this story? 6 blind people. Actually, it was the brainstorming activity which was invented in India, that 6 people were blindfolded and they were stood near the elephant at certain part, and they were asked to touch it and describe it. It is a very good English activity that you need to blindfold them and then only allow one person to actually just touch one thing, how they are going to describe it. Use it for your adjective or use it for any descriptive words, what actually the language teachers does that. But what they have done, the person who was touching the tail, it felt it was like a rope. The person who was touching the body, it felt like a wall. Then it felt like a fan. Then the trunk, that tusk, spears. And the other one, it's a snake. It means everyone has their own, everyone is correct. But they are also incorrect. Here comes the teamwork. Once they are going to join their ideas, they can describe that animal. They can have. So, one is Miss Ikra, 2 more participants. Please, 2 more participants. Okay, Mr. Jaz, 1 more participant. Yes. Chocolate hai. No, if you participate, the chocolate is Okay, Mr. Shahbaz, please come forward. Okay, can you please bring this table forward? Okay, thank you. Now, blindfold. No. Blindfold, please. Face the camera and blindfold. Blindfold first. Blindfold first. You should not be seeing anything.
I'm ready.
Okay, everyone. No, inverted. Miss Ikra, inverted. Yes, inverted. Yes. No, it does not have to be elephant. Okay, like this. Completely, Mr. Jaz. Please come forward. Please, Mr. Jaz, come forward. Okay, Miss Ikra, just 1 minute. To make sure you will not see, I am placing you, Mr. Shahbaz, please. I am placing you.
Mr. Shahbaz,
No one can see because their mask is there. Shh. Mr. Shahbaz, can you resume? Okay now, yes. Mr. Jaz, only this part. Only. Mr. Shahbaz, only this part. Yes, Miss Ikra, only this part. Apart from soft,
it's
just
soft toy.
Okay, no. Apart from soft. Oh. Okay, you have 10 seconds left. After that, on your seat, you need to describe it. What is it? Okay, Mr. Shahbaz. Okay, you can remove the blindfold. You can go back to your seats, please. No. Her mask is up. I know it was the stuffed toy, but can you please use 4 adjectives? Sir, please, can you remove the blindfold? Remove 4 adjectives. Everyone has seen what is that. No. Yes, describe it. Okay. I know the stuffed toy is there.
the part you had, Mr. Shahbaz.
आपने जो फील किया
The
वो
part
कैसी
you had,
ये वो
she is
स्केल
wrong.
लाइक स्केल नहीं थी, उसके ऊपर वो हेड के ऊपर से कुछ क्राउन टाइप
Okay, crown and head. Hair?
जस्ट लाइक थी, उसकी ब्रांचेस थी, हेयर छोटे
अच्छा, branches थी. ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. Anything else?
मेरे पास टेल थी उसकी
मेरे पास हैंड या लेग.
Hand your leg. How are you going to describe? Round, fuzzy, or what? Not apart from soft, how much?
टेल
टेल की
टेल का या
टेल थी ना, टेल थोड़ी सी
I guess the stuffed teddy bear.
Okay.
में टेल कहाँ से?
मैं टेडी बियर नहीं था
वो
फ्रॉग टाइप का
2 more seconds. Come up with the idea. Hurry up.
ये नहीं डॉल नहीं
ओके डॉल नहीं थी, ठीक है, ओके
ये कोई एनिमल था
ओके
और एनिमल डायनासोर होगा या फ्रॉग होगा
ओके
ये मेरे ख्याल से
फ्रॉग भी नहीं था, डायनासोर भी नहीं था, एलिफेंट भी लग रहा था।
ओके एलिफेंट, यस दे आर डिस्क्राइब, नहीं
ट्रंक हो सकता है वो जो यहाँ
ठीक है, एलिफेंट यूनानिमस,
Like
elephant, okay, just like elephant, it is basically this. You were touching the hand, you were touching the nose, and you were touching this. That's an Olaf. That's a very good character, famous character of Frozen. Okay, yes. Okay, okay, please sir इसको पकड़ के एक साइड पे कर मेरे साथ. Okay, actually what was the purpose of this? Teamwork. Yes. Teamwork. Teamwork describes each and everything. Individually, the projects, if there is a teamwork, what actually happens that few of the students does the work and others do not, and you in front of you have heard. Yes, teamwork. See the teamwork there. Miss Nadia, you should promote the teamwork. Yes, Miss Ikra has the teamwork. Okay, now have you heard this? Have you heard this? Come closer. The closer you look, the less you'll see. In the learning, in the classroom, you might have come across the students which already know about the topic, which want to move forward. Okay? Because they know very much, but the other students cannot cope up with that thing. It means that other students, it is like this. They are only closer to one point. The others are actually having a vast knowledge. This sentence describes the entire learning process. You need to have a vast idea. You need to look at the bigger picture. The